Come test drive the 2021 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, integrated turn signal mirrors, privacy glass, 4-wheel disc brakes, remote trunk release. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.